Changing keypad of TA100. Unscrew the 4 screws at the back of TA100 reader by using screwdriver. Remove the plastic back cover. Unplug the core board from the main controller unit. Unplug the connector for LCD, speaker, keyboard and LED from main controller unit. There are 4 screws on the LCD board. You may unscrew them to remove the LCD board. There are 4 screws on the keyboard. You may unscrew them to remove the keyboard. You will find the keypad after removing the keyboard. Install a new keypad. Tighten up all screws to locate the keyboards. Tighten up all screws to locate the LCD board. Plug the connector for LCD, speaker, keyboard and LED back to main controller unit. Plug the core board firmly on main controller unit. Cover with the plastic back cover and tighten the 4 screws. Now power on the reader to test.